Hey everyone! Welcome to this comprehensive guide where I'll walk you through the process of installing macOS from a USB drive. Whether you're looking to perform a clean install, upgrade your current system, or set up a brand new Mac, this video has got you covered. First, let's talk about why you might want to install macOS from a USB drive. This method is incredibly useful for a variety of scenarios. For instance, if your Mac is running slow or experiencing software issues, a clean install can help you start fresh and improve performance. Additionally, if you're upgrading to a new version of macOS, using a USB drive can make the process faster and more reliable. And of course, if you've just purchased a new Mac and want to set it up with the latest operating system, this guide will be invaluable. Before we dive into the step-by-step instructions, let's go over the materials you'll need. First and foremost, you'll need a USB drive with at least 16 GB of storage. This will be used to create the bootable installer. You'll also need a stable internet connection to download the macOS installer from the App Store. Lastly, make sure you have a backup of all your important data. Installing macOS will erase everything on your hard drive, so it's crucial to have a backup to avoid losing any important files. Now let's get started with the process. The first step is to download the macOS installer from the App Store. Open the App Store on your Mac and search for the version of macOS you want to install. Once you've found it, click the download button and wait for the installer to download. This may take some time depending on your internet speed, so be patient. While the installer is downloading, you can prepare your USB drive. Insert the USB drive into your Mac and open Disk Utility. Select the USB drive from the list of drives and click the Erase button. Choose macOS Extended, Journaled, as the format and give your USB drive a name. Click Erase to format the drive. Once the drive is formatted, you're ready to create the bootable installer. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into each of these steps, ensuring you have a smooth and successful installation experience. Let's dive in. First, download the macOS installer from the App Store. This is a crucial step as the installer will be the foundation of your bootable USB drive. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during the download process. The installer file is quite large, so it might take some time depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, you should see the installer in your Applications folder. Next, grab a USB drive that is at least 16 gigabytes or larger. This is important because the macOS installer requires a significant amount of space. If you have any important data on the USB drive, make sure to back it up, as the process will erase everything on the drive. Insert the USB drive into your Mac. Now open Terminal. You can find Terminal in the Utilities folder within your Applications folder. Terminal is a powerful tool that allows you to interact with your Mac using text-based commands. Don't worry if you're not familiar with it. I'll guide you through the process. In Terminal, you'll need to use the Create Install Media command to make the USB drive bootable. This command will copy the macOS installer to the USB drive and make it bootable. The exact command you need to type is as follows. Replace with the version of macOS you downloaded and with the name of your USB drive. For example, if you downloaded macOS Big Sur and your USB drive is named MyUSB, the command would look like this. After typing the command, press Enter. You'll be prompted to enter your administrator password. Type your password and press Enter again. The process will begin, and you'll see a series of messages in Terminal indicating the progress. This process can take some time, so be patient. Once the process is complete, you'll have a bootable USB drive with the macOS installer. You can use this drive to install macOS on any compatible Mac. I'll leave the exact command in the description below for your reference. Happy installing! Before proceeding, back up your data using Time Machine or manually copy important files to an external drive. This ensures you don't lose anything during the installation. Insert the USB drive, restart your Mac, and hold the Option key while it boots. Select the USB drive from the Startup menu to begin the installation. If you're doing a clean install, open Disk Utility, select your main drive and click Erase. Choose APFS for newer macOS or macOS Extended for older versions. Be careful, this deletes all data. Go back to the macOS Utilities screen and select Install macOS. Follow the on-screen instructions, select your disk, and let the installer do its thing. This can take a while, so grab a coffee. Once the installation is complete, your Mac will restart. Follow the setup prompts, sign in with your Apple ID, and restore your data if needed. And that's it! You've installed macOS from a USB drive in just 10 minutes. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching. Installing macOS from a USB drive can seem like a daunting task, but as you've seen, it's quite straightforward when you follow the right steps. We hope this guide has made the process easier for you. Remember, having a bootable USB drive is not only useful for installing macOS, but also for troubleshooting and repairing your system. It's a handy tool to have in your tech arsenal. If you encountered any issues during the installation, don't worry. There are plenty of resources available online, including forums and support communities where you can find solutions to common problems. Apple's own support website is also a great place to look for help. And of course, feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or need further assistance. We're here to help. For those of you who are new to the world of macOS, welcome. You're about to experience a sleek, intuitive operating system that's designed to make your computing life easier and more enjoyable. From the powerful Finder to the versatile dock, macOS offers a range of features that can enhance your productivity and creativity. Be sure to explore the App Store for a wide variety of applications that can help you get the most out of your Mac. We also recommend checking out our other videos on macOS tips and tricks. Whether you're looking to customize your system, improve its performance, or discover hidden features, we've got you covered. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with the best tech advice and tutorials so you can make the most of your devices. Lastly, we want to thank you for choosing our video as your guide. Your support means a lot to us. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We have a lot of exciting content planned and we can't wait to share it with you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.